Hello YouTube, it is Viral. In our channel you will find different videos regarding FRP on different devices. So in this video I will show you how you can remove Google Lock from A03S model A037U. We're gonna use a tool called TSM Tool. It is a paid tool, and if you have only one or a few devices, you can also rent this tool, so you don't need to buy it completely. I have found this website, lviral.company.site, and over here you can see that there are two softwares to rent, Unlock Tool and TSM Tool. It is fast delivery, and after purchasing you can reach them on email or on WhatsApp. Over here you have the email address, you have the WhatsApp address, also the phone number is listed over here, so you can save it and reach them on WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the tool that we're gonna use, TSM Tool Pro, and I'm gonna run this one. It will ask you to log in. I'm gonna log in real fast, and after that hit sign in. Okay, so we are inside the software. As you see, there are a lot of devices, and we're gonna go on Samsung and we're gonna search for our model. In my case it is A037U1. Okay, so A037S, these are the models supported, and A037U1. How to proceed next? You need to click remove FRP MTK flash mode. The phone should be completely off and disconnected on this stage, and the next thing that you need to do is you need to connect the cable, and after that press and release both volume up and volume down buttons at the same time. So connect the cable, press and release both volume up and volume down at the same time. On the first try it failed, so I'm going to click again remove FRP MTK flash mode, and again you should power off the phone and disconnect it, connect the cable, and then press and release both volume up and volume down buttons at the same time until you see what I'm seeing on the right. This process it is pretty easy, especially if you do it for the first time, and as you see over here it is running pretty fast. The process should not take longer than 10 to 50 seconds, and on the bottom you should see removing FRP lock, okay, and the phone should automatically reboot. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.